Let's go. We see the hype outside, right from the house. Took it straight from outside, straight to the couch. We put the mic outside, edit out. You letting the scouts outside. We running this house. Ain't no control in the game. They never leave.
What? You idiot, Vinny! Dude, we weren't supposed to go on the same time. What? Guys, thanks for tuning in and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. If you guys want us to keep doing YouTube videos, you gotta make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means so much to us, even if you just hit the like button. You know, it's so simple for you guys, but it really does mean a lot to us. You know, it really does help us out. Yeah. So make sure to just, you know, click off that video if you're on full screen right now and hit that like button.
Yep.
Yes.
It helps us
so
much, guys. Remember, we're dropping November 2nd, which will be next week.
Monday.
Next Monday, we're dropping
that is insane.
Music video and lyric video.
Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. Guys. And explaining for what we're doing today, we basically went to a wing eating contest, and we showed up and we were timers, and it was just so insane. We never expected any of this to happen. And basically it's just 15 guys eating 12 wings, seeing how fast they can eat them, and it is our sponsors' wings. So if you get the merch, look at the end of the video. It will always be previewed there. So if you look at that merch and the sponsor is Legendaries, that is whose wings we'll be eating today, or they will be eating. Yep. And let's get into the video.
We're judging the wing eating contest right now.
Let's go, boys. We are going to be the timers, and let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Eaters, are you ready? Let's get heated up. First and second, go! Ben and West Block. West Block. Timers! Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! On your marks, get set, eat! You gotta clean them! 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 Hey, we gotta Eaters, are you ready for some heat? Extreme heat. On your mark. Get set. Eat. Eaters, are you ready? Eaters, are you ready for some heat? Extreme heat. On your mark. Get set. Eat.
Gotta be 55 seconds!
Brett, go! Brett, go!
He puked! Come on, you got one more! He's got a bone stuck in his throat. It's stuck in his throat. Second hottest wing ever! There's like a 14-year-old girl eating them. Everybody on this board ate 12 wings in this time.
2020 Evergreen Campsite Wing Eating Champion, Tony! 55 seconds! Tony!
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Please make sure all our social medias are in the description.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. We really worked hard on it, so make sure to leave a like, and all social medias in the description. Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram,
all that
even
down
this
in the
account.
description.
Follow the fan accounts on Instagram and on YouTube. We even got a fan account. They commented on 2 videos back, so make sure to check that out. Peace! Bottom. Bro, that's next clip. What
Come
you
on.
doing?
Bottom. Yes, we're the best. Always never rest. Bottom of the real banging on his chest. Hey.